You've been told humans sit safely at the top of the food chain, but that's only true until the wrong predator decides otherwise. Right now, there are animals walking this earth that don't see you as something to fear, but as food. Hyena. When most people think of hyenas, they imagine scavengers waiting for lions to finish a meal, but that's one of the biggest myths in nature. Spotted hyenas are highly skilled hunters, with most of their diet coming from animals they kill themselves. Working in organized clans, they can bring down antelope, zebras, and even buffalo much larger than themselves. Their bone-crushing jaws are among the strongest of any land mammal, allowing them to consume almost every part of a carcass. And under the right conditions, humans can become prey. Across parts of East Africa, hyena attacks have been recorded for centuries, during famine, drought, or conflict. Hungry hyenas have entered villages at night searching for food. In some cases, they dragged sleeping children from their homes before anyone could react. One well-documented example came during the construction of the Mekelle-Berbera Road in Ethiopia, where workers reported hyenas entering camps after dark. Several attacks proved fatal, forcing armed guards to stay awake through the night. Scientists believe this behavior isn't driven by aggression but opportunity. Hyenas quickly learn where food is easiest to find, and repeated success can reduce their fear of humans. They're far more than scavengers. And the next predator doesn't need a pack at all. It hunts completely alone, and may be the greatest ambush hunter on land. Leopard. Unlike hyenas, leopards don't rely on numbers. They completely hunt alone, silent, patient, almost invisible. A leopard can disappear into tall grass, and you'll never know it was there. Its spotted coat breaks up its outline so perfectly that even experienced trackers sometimes walk past one without noticing. That camouflage has made the leopard one of the world's greatest ambush predators, and in rare cases, humans have become part of its hunting strategy. One of the most infamous examples was the leopard of Panar. During the early 1900s, the animal terrorized villages across northern India and was blamed for around 400 human deaths, making it one of the deadliest man-eaters ever recorded. Why would a leopard begin hunting people? Scientists believe it usually starts with opportunity. Older or injured leopards often struggle to catch fast prey like deer or antelope. Humans, especially children or people walking alone at dawn or dusk, can become easier targets. Unlike lions or wolves, leopards rarely announce themselves. They rely on surprise, attacking from dense vegetation, or dropping from above before their victim has time to react. Even today, attacks still occur in parts of India, Nepal, and Africa, where expanding towns border leopard habitat. Most leopards avoid people whenever possible, but when natural prey becomes scarce, the consequences can be devastating. But even this master of stealth can't match the predator waiting at the water's edge, because the next hunter doesn't chase its prey. It lets the prey come to it. Saltwater crocodile. The most dangerous predator isn't always the one you can see. Sometimes it's the one waiting beneath the surface. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile on Earth. Adult males can exceed 6 meters in length and weigh well over 1,000 kilograms. Yet despite their enormous size, they spend much of their lives almost completely hidden, with only their eyes and nostrils breaking the water's surface. That makes them one of nature's most effective ambush predators. Unlike many large carnivores, a crocodile doesn't need to chase its prey. It waits. Then, in a fraction of a second, it explodes from the water with speed, grabbing its victim before dragging it underwater. One of the most infamous attacks occurred in 1975 at the Finniss River, where a large saltwater crocodile attacked and killed a young woman while she was swimming. Incidents like this have helped shape Australia's strict crocodile safety rules. Scientists explain that humans become prey for the same reason deer, wild pigs, or buffalo do. From the crocodile's perspective, anything that approaches the water's edge can be a potential meal. Even today, attacks continue across northern Australia and parts of Southeast Asia, reminding people that every river, estuary, and mangrove can hide an unseen predator. But if crocodiles dominate the water, the next animal rules the frozen Arctic. And unlike an ambush predator, it may follow you for kilometers before making its move. Polar bear. Most bears attack because they feel threatened, but polar bears are different. They are one of the very few animals on Earth that have been documented deliberately stalking humans as prey. Living in the Arctic means surviving almost entirely on meat. Unlike black bears or grizzlies, polar bears can't simply switch to berries or plants when food becomes scarce. Their survival depends on hunting seals across the sea ice, and every failed hunt brings them closer to starvation. That hunting instinct never switches off. One well-known example occurred in the Norwegian archipelago of Svalbard, where a camper was sleeping inside a tent. When a polar bear entered the campsite during the night, the attack happened with almost no warning. Scientists believe this happens because polar bears are highly specialized carnivores. A lone human crossing the Arctic may simply resemble another large mammal worth hunting, especially if the bear is young, hungry, or struggling to find seals. Fortunately, these attacks remain rare, but they are taken extremely seriously because, unlike most other bears, a polar bear that approaches quietly may not be defending itself. It may already be hunting. And yet, even the Arctic's greatest predator has never matched the historical record of the animal at number 1. Because this predator didn't just hunt people. For generations, entire villages feared leaving their homes. Tiger. No wild predator in recorded history has produced more infamous man-eaters than the tiger. It is powerful, silent, and unbelievably patient. A tiger can disappear into dense vegetation just meters away, then close the distance in seconds without making a sound. With enough strength to bring down prey several times its own weight, it is perfectly built for ambush. Fortunately, healthy tigers rarely see humans as prey, but when that changes, the results can be catastrophic. The most infamous example was the Champawat tiger. After being injured and unable to hunt its normal prey, the tigress began attacking people in Nepal before moving into northern India. She was ultimately blamed for 436 human deaths, making her one of the deadliest individual wild animals ever recorded. History contains numerous accounts of aging, injured, tooth-damaged tigers turning to humans after becoming unable to catch faster prey. To a predator struggling to survive, an unarmed person can become the easier target. Even today, attacks still occur in parts of India, Bangladesh, and Nepal, particularly around the Sundarbans, where people regularly enter tiger habitat to fish, collect honey, and gather wood. Among all the predators on this list, the tiger has left the longest and most chilling record of humans becoming prey. So, what makes an apex predator truly dangerous? It isn't the size or strength, it's the moment a predator stops seeing us as something to avoid and starts seeing us as food. Fortunately, encounters like these are incredibly rare, but every animal on this list reminds us of the same truth. In the wild, humans aren't guaranteed to sit at the top of the food chain. Sometimes we're simply the next meal. If you enjoyed this video, check out the one on your screen now. And don't forget to subscribe because nature still has plenty of predators we've only begun to understand.